there's a tool called TweetDeck. I can't pronounce it. TweetDeck. That's my Ecuadorian Hispanic self talking. Sorry, guys. So TweetDeck is actually a tool from Twitter, and what it does is it lets you listen to what's happening on Twitter. And you can actually listen for keywords. Like for example, I put here looking for warehouse space, and then it's gonna monitor in real time people talking about warehouse space. I'm gonna jump in here once a day, and for example, I see this guy Daniel Wright. This is a real tweet, by the way. It says, hey, I'm looking for either a renovated warehouse unit or one that I can renovate myself or a similar type of space. Any help would be great. Guess what? If that person's in my area, I'm gonna reach out to that person. So the one thing that TweetDeck, and maybe you'll find it, but I haven't been able to find, is to narrow down the search by location. So usually I'll just type this into the browser, search.twitter.com, and I'll look for this keyword, and I'll basically narrow it down by location because it gives you the ability to do that. So TweetDeck is a great tool, so check that out.
Hey guys, it's your boy Andrew Bermudez here, co-founder and CEO of Digsy. Want to let you know about an awesome giveaway we're doing. We're giving away actually 3 iPads to any commercial real estate professional that posts the 100th, the 1,000th, or the 5,000 listing on Digsy. So you can enter to win. Just go to this link right here, digsy.co/signup, and start posting your listings. You could even win if you happen to just enter one listing and you're the 100th or the 1,000th or 5,000th listing entered. You can also increase your chance of winning by inviting friends to post their listings. Every listing that they enter will actually increase the number of listings that you enter, so you could reach your goal much sooner. So their entry will actually count towards yours as well to theirs. And you can just go right here to digsy.co/free_iPad and enter the information there and invite your friends and share it on social media, and you can win. So look forward to featuring some of you guys on our emails and social media for winning the iPad, and go to digsy.co/signup to start listing your buildings and also receive a free iPad. Thanks so much.